Hey guys, Josh here.
This is Tony.
And this is John.
And Mikey's back there. Today we went to Dalias Spicy and Fresh.
Las Dalias.
And it's over here in Newport Richey off of 54. And so far it looks amazing.
There's their beef taco, guys. I'm gonna take a real quick bite. I put some of that green sauce on it. Oh my god.
John.
I got a beef and chicken taco. It's really good.
Which one do you want on yours? I'll try the green one. Not hot at all.
Let me try the sauce for the red one. Let me see the top.
Whew, it's hot. You said the green sauce isn't hot?
It wasn't to me, no.
Let me do the green.
Go ahead and take a quick bite for you guys. This is the chicken. Pretty good.
Man, so good. That beef is so good.
That's good.
Really good, guys.
There were so many different smells coming out of that truck.
And you got what, Mikey? You got a burrito?
I got a burrito.
Ooh, that looks mad good.
Let me have the phone.
Looks like it has beans, rice, and green meat, and a potato in it.
A
Go
potato.
ahead and try it.
This is the beef one, right?
It's so good.
What in the world? Oh, we got some limes up in here. Okay.
Take your first bite. So good.
Good.
Good, huh? What you think about the burrito, Mikey?
It's super good.
It looks good.
Look, what you think?
My only turnoff, and it's not them. I just don't like corn tortillas.
Oh, I love that thing, man. Yeah, the corn tortilla. This is authentic. They don't really do flour.
Mikey's got a flour tortilla. And his burrito. It looks really good though.
Really good.
The flavor's crazy, guys.
Let me get that. What? Explain it. I'm excited for this year.
So the corn tortilla is only one tongue taco.
It's only
I
one.
ordered two. They're trying to charge me for one.
What's this here? Tongue?
No, it's beef and onions.
Where's the tongue taco?
Over here. So the corn tortilla is definitely authentic. It's really good. The beef is really, really good.
I really enjoy it.
And the onions and the
Thank you.
cilantro is fresh. Okay, this is the tongue. You want to try it with me? That's the tongue, guys. It's a tongue and two barbacoas. At least I think this one's a tongue. Yeah, it is.
This is so good.
Yep, that's the tongue. Wow.
Good?
Yeah.
Different.
You want lime on it?
We'll try it.
All right, guys. Look at this.
Put some green sauce on it.
A little bit. Yeah. On one side, because you don't like it.
You still eating the pork ones?
And this.
I'll get this one.
This is so damn good.
It's really good, guys.
Sorry we didn't have a GoPro with us.
You would have the GoPro with us, and
We're using
the phone.
phone.
I will say this: I do have a gripe with this whole experience.
Well,
She told me 5-6 minutes. It ended up being 40-something minutes.
it was good. It's worth the wait.
All right, guys. Look at this. This is the tongue taco.
It looks good.
Nope. Put that down.
Good. The tongue. It looks good.
I'm not gonna say anything till you have it. It's obviously good.
Oh God.
Have the rest. That's okay. I had a big bite.
I'm good. It tastes like
It does taste a little gamey, but it's really, really good. The flavor is amazing.
That's good. They can't beat the beef though. Their beef is phenomenal.
The flavor in this is really good.
Just the idea of the meat.
Have you tried the beef one, John?
No, not yet. I just finished the chicken.
Mikey?
Maggie is chowing down.
How's the burrito?
It's really good. It tastes, and this as the pico on there.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good.
It's good.
That's really nasty by chance.
Nope.
What's the barista then?
Thumbs down.
Get some lime on that. Try this barista taco.
What exactly is that? The barbecue stuff? Is it?
Which one's that? What is that? You know?
The barbacoa, it's just how it's marinated.
It's spicy.
Yeah. Let's try this, boys. This is the barbacoa. We hold.
Whose is this? The other beef.
That's ours. All right, ready, guys?
Man, it smells good. I like cilantro. The tongue is phenomenal.
Guys, you've got to come here and try this. This barbacoa takes the cake.
It is good. Oh, it's good.
It is so flavorful. As soon as you take a bite, hits you in the face. There's no like, hey, what's up? Let's talk a minute.
Let's get down.
It's straight up like pow, punch you in the face.
Pow, right in the kisser.
Wow. Tony's gonna like that.
This one?
You're also getting a lot of business right now because of Bike Fest at Harley Davidson store right next door is happening.
Yeah, there's people.
Oh, God.
This whole these
That's the best.
This business is getting a lot
Of all of them, that's the best
I've seen
one.
like
Best flavor.
20 people just walk in. Walk into the drive.
Then the beef, then the tongue. Tongue was my least favorite.
I say the tongue is my second favorite.
The chicken taco was really good.
This taco here is amazing.
It was super, super good.
I'm full. But it's good.
Yeah.
We still got one more thing.
What's that?
The beef and onions.
Mm-hmm.
Eat your tacos.
Hmm?
You want your tacos?
Full.
Where's some Maggie?
There's forks in there. Oh, there is napkins actually. Hold on, guys.
Today I'll use my favorite.
And there's they had sandwiches.
Do you want a fork or no? Anyone want a napkin?
Man, this Cuban bread is so soft.
We're good now. That's what shirts are for.
Let's try this beef. Wow.
I'll try it with some bread.
I want just the onion. Good?
Mm-hmm. Oh my God, is that good?
It is.
Mm-hmm.
How do I do this? Okay.
Some burritos good, Mikey.
Absolutely.
I can't believe we waited this long to try this place.
I tell you what.
They were so worried when we went up there
Wow.
to pick it up because she took 40 minutes
Okay.
for a 10-minute order. She was like, "You guys are never going to come back." I was like, "Nah. I mean, you guys, it looks like really good food. We'll be back if it's good food."
My response to it depends on how good the food is. If it's not good, no, it won't come back. But if it was good, I mean, you go to a regular restaurant, you wait 20, 30 minutes generally, depending on.
Food trucks are meant to be fast.
Yeah, that's true. But she is by herself.
That's good.
And
My
there's
God,
a
this
lot
is
of people.
amazing.
There's
Guys, I'm super full. And I can't stop eating this.
I don't want to.
There's more people walking up. You're gonna get good business today.
There was, yeah.
This is
Overall, this place is amazing, guys. It's located right next to A&D Beverage off of 54.
Our favorite,
And,
our favorite drink.
Harley
stop.
Davidson.
This is phenomenal.
It is so good. I think this is a little better than Carmelita's.
This is good.
I think it's better.
What do you think, Mikey?
I tell you what. Do not pass
so
this place
full,
up.
I can't move. It was really, really good.
And Mikey doesn't eat, guys, so he's
Uh-huh.
liking it.
I'll hold this for you.
He's li-
This is phenomenal food. I mean, top notch. Flavor, unbelievable flavor.
I'd come back here again.
I'm really surprised with.
Now, in the price, let's talk about that for a second. Me and Mikey had a little competition to see how much it was. He guessed $80.
Well, technically, I didn't look at the menu really either.
Oh.
You know, so I didn't know what price
Oh,
was what.
how much do you guys think it was?
I say 45.
I'd say about 60.
I said 45 too. It was $43
Wow.
for all this crazy food. The tacos, right,
It's not bad for 4 people.
are guess how much a piece?
The tacos are like
$2.51.
$2.50 to $3 depending on the taco, from what I saw.
If you don't like gamey food, the tongue's a little bit gamey, but it's delicious.
Not every
Oh my
eats
goodness.
tongue,
Um,
though. I don't.
If you want to be a little adventurous, try it. It doesn't taste that much different than the beef. It's just a hair gamey.
it has the organdy taste to it.
Yeah, for those of you that don't know what gamey is.
It's organy tasting, but it's good. There ain't a bad thing on this menu. Everything here so far has been phenomenal.
I'd come back here just for the beef and onions.
Oh my God, these
I'm
tacos.
really full.
John, how'd you like the chicken taco?
I like the chicken taco. I like the beef one a little bit better.
Mm-hmm.
The chicken was a little. I don't know if gamey is the right word.
Mm-hmm.
The flavor for the chicken was a little strong for me, but it was good.
Yeah, they have a lot of seasoning in the chicken one.
Yeah.
When you look at it, it's like covered.
Well, chicken has a bland taste. You know, it's not like
Yeah, you
beef.
have-
You know?
No, there was definitely. Yeah, it was definitely. I don't know what it was, but I definitely like the beef more. I think if I would have put more of that mild sauce on it, it would have been better because that actually was really good.
The green one,
Yeah.
really good. They give you two sauces. They give you a tomatillo sauce, and a tomato
Which wasn't that good, I think.
based hot sauce.
Now that beef you're eating, Josh, that's the same beef that was in my taco.
Really?
Yes.
I
Man.
don't know about that because I had the same thing and it didn't taste like this.
Mine. I mean, it looks like it, but maybe different seasonings.
It's just different seasonings, but it's the same meat. That's palomillo there.
It was really good.
Oh no, it's good.
I want to try. I didn't know they had burritos, so I want to try a burrito. Like what? Like
Their burritos are massive.
I'd give this place 5 out of 5. All day long. 5 out of 5. We have been so lucky.
For food taste, I would give it a.
Let me
5 out of
ask you a
5.
question. For those at home that don't know, why would you give it a 5 out of 5?
Authentic.
Mm-hmm.
fresh. The taste is phenomenal. Friendly.
Oh, extremely friendly.
I mean, this place is amazing. I'm surprised we haven't stopped here yet either. I mean, I would come here every day. This is that good.
The reason we haven't stopped here is they don't open till 4.
Yeah, and they're open today probably because of the bike fest.
Anyone want some or no?
No,
I had my 2 little tacos filled me up.
man, that meat is so good.
Almost the entire
I love
burrito.
sauteed onions, man. They're cooked
So do
onions.
I.
Me too.
That's good for you though. Mikey ate almost his whole burrito.
It's really good.
Well, guys,
Come check it out. I don't know how many times you can say this, guys. 54 between A&D Beverage and Harley Davidson. Check them out.
amazing.
Definitely worth it.
I think this place
Yeah, I'd come
is
back
so
again, for
good.
sure.
I would come here over Taco Bell any day.
Oh, Taco Bell, my God, that's cat food compared to this.
The flavor is really good.
Well,
I
Tony?
was nervous about the sauce.
I am so
because
full,
there's a
but
lot
man,
of
it's
sauce
so
to it,
good.
But it wasn't
Oh, I fish?
overpowering.
This is with the onion. Is there a piece of
Yeah,
bacon
you
there?
just grabbed it.
It was just really good. It was really good. A lot of good flavor.
Here, guys.
Look at this, guys. This is how good it is.
Man, that's the bomb. My God. That puts the tacos to shame, man.
The steak and onions?
all trash.
It's, yeah. Well, guys. Go get them.
There's one left.
It's fantastic.
So you said it was 43, and that was for like how many tacos? I had 2.
For 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tacos, a burrito,
Amazing, man.
and steak and onions.
That's really cheap.
The steak and onions were the best thing we had.
And 40,
So normally it comes in a sandwich, right? But I was like, hey, I just want to like the picture. She goes, okay. Did it.
$43 for 4 people is actually.
It was fantastic, guys.
And
But,
it's definitely like restaurant quality. Like
Oh,
yeah.
100%.
The woman in there does some black magic, guys. Crazy.
which taco?
All right, guys. Don't forget to like,
Share.
Subscribe.
Comment.
comment. Mike messing us up, man.
Mikey's just gonna wait.
And Tony,
I was like,
what else we got to do? What else they got to do?
Ring
The
that
dang-a-ling-a-ling bell. Peace.
Peace.
bye.